Hello everyone, this is Joy. Today I'm going to show you a short video about the problem I encountered when I was trying to wind my bobbin. So instead of winding inside this bobbin, the thread, it coils down here inside the bobbin case like this one. So remember that when you wind the bobbin, it looks like this. This latch should be here on the far right of this bobbin casing, and the thread should be under the pressure foot and latch on this guide. And then when the thread enters the plate, the thread should go in here and wind around inside the bobbin, but it didn't go through here because this bobbin casing was too tight and the thread couldn't pass underneath the bobbin latch. So what I did, I adjusted this screw to loosen up the bobbin casing. So to tighten up, you have to do clockwise, and to loosen up the bobbin casing, you have to go counterclockwise. So this bobbin casing should move a little bit, and this thread would be able to pass through underneath here and will wind inside the bobbin. So that's the solution I did last night, and now it works perfectly. So if this problem will happen to you, you could try those solutions, so it would help you too. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.